my name is Miss Stacy. In Sensory Stories, we are going to dive into stories using our imaginations. So, at this time, turn up your imaginations. You've got it. Today's story is Dog's Colorful Day, a messy story about colors and counting. Let's take a look at this dog. We can see that he is what color? White. You guessed it. You've got it. Now, he's white, but he does have, if you look very carefully, one small spot on his ear. There it is. Well, there is a dog right behind this yellow cloth. Let's see what color he is. Da, 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 da. Wait a minute. He's white. He's white too with a, I see also a black spot. Wait a minute. He matches the dog in the story. Well, soon these dogs, both of these dogs, will soon become very colorful. Watch and you'll see. This is Dog. Yeah, we established that. As you can see, Dog is white with one black spot on his left ear. It almost looks like an earring. Well, after breakfast time, Dog sits under the table as usual. Oh, can you pretend to be a doggy under a table, waiting for something to drop into your mouth to eat, or something to drop on the floor to eat? Oh, you've got it. And it did happen. A drip of red jam lands on his back. There it is with the great big splat. So let's make that sound together. Ready? And we'll clap it out. And splat. Oh, you've got it. Now Dog has two spots. Oh, yes, he does. Now, let's see. We need to make our dog just as colorful. So we need to find a red spot. I'm going to let you help me. Let's see. Is this a red spot? No. Is this a red spot? No. So I'm glad you're here to help me. Is this a red spot? Oh, yeah. Smell it. It even smells like strawberry jam. And it's going to go right on his back. You've got it. Well, we're going to continue on. After breakfast, Dog then, he runs outside as quick as he could. Ooh, let's run in our laps together. Here we go. He runs real fast. And, he slips past the man painting the front door, and his little bitty tail dips into blue paint, making a what color spot? Blue. You've got it. Now, as you see, Dog has three spots. Ooh, so let's make that sound splish, for that's the sound his tail made in the paint. We'll do it together with the clap. You ready? And splish. You've got it. Now, we've got to put that spot on his tail, remember? So let's find that color blue. Let's see. Is it this a blue? Oh, no. Is this one blue? No. What about? How about this one? Yes, that you've got it. Where it's going to go right there on his tail. Now, let's count his spots. Let's count them together with me, please. Let's do it together. Come on. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. 3 spots. You've got it. Let's see how his day continues. Well, Dog runs to the park and he begins to roll in the grass. And the grass makes of course, a what color stain, everyone? Green. Green for the color of grass, all on his white coat, and he rolls and rolls. So let's pretend to be like Doggy. We're gonna roll all into the grass and make the sound squish. we get to make all these fun sounds. Let's make the sound squish because he's squishing in the ground. And you ready? And squish. Now let's see how many he has. Dog has 4 spots. So we've got to get a green spot on dog for the green grass. Let's see. Is this one? Oh, you're getting so good at this. Is it this one? No. We're looking for green, right? You've got it. There it is. And remember, the green will go about here where he rolled, all in the grass. Let's count it. Count it with me. I want some help. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4 spots. Let's see how his day continues. Well, dog follows a little boy eating chocolate. And the boy goes up to the dog and gives the dog a chocolatey pat. Oh, yes, leaving a brown spot on his leg from the chocolate. Now dog has 5 spots. So we got to put a good old chocolatey spot there. So let's find a chocolatey spot. What color would chocolate be? Brown. You've got it. So we have to find a brown spot. Is this brown? No. Is this one brown? No. You got it. Is this one brown? Yes, Miss Stacy. I finally got it. It's brown. Smells like chocolate too. Now we mentioned that the chocolate it landed on about his leg where the boy gave him that chocolatey pat. Let's count the dots, or spots, shall we say. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and don't forget his spot on his ear, which it must have fallen. 5, there it is. Let's continue with his day, for he has 5 spots now. I wonder how many he's ever going to get. Oh, this time a bee buzzes up to see what's going on. So let's make the sound of a bee. I know you know what sound it makes. What sound does it make? Tell me. Oh, I've got it. Make it with me, everyone, now. And just as the bee was buzzing around, the bee drops yellow pollen as it flies by right on Dog's back. And with that, the bee leaves out with a big swish. So let's join in together with a big swish. You ready? 1, 2, 3, swish. You've got it. So now we have to drop the pollen, the yellow pollen that is, on the top of Dog's back. Let's find it. Here we go. Is it this one? No, that's not yellow. Could it be this one? No, that's not yellow either. How about, is this yellow? You've got it. Of course it's yellow. We're going to place it right here. Now let's count those spots. Count them with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wow, he's becoming so colorful. Yes. Well, Dog then trots on through the park. Oh, probably just what he wanted. A drop of pink ice cream lands on his right ear. But with it landing on his ear, he can't taste that little spot. Oh, poor Dog. Now Dog has 7 spots. And the ice cream landed with the great big splash. So now let's do that sound together too. And it goes like this. Splash. Ooh, one more time because that's fun. Splash on his ear. Now, we've got to find that pink ice cream. Could it be this one? No. Could it be this one? No. Could it be, oh yeah, I've been waiting for that pink. There's that pink ice cream. It's beginning to melt. We need to place it where it needs to go. Where did it go? Do you remember? In the story, you're right. On the other ear. Now it looks like he has 2 little earrings. Oh, let's count the spots. Count them with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. He's starting to run out of room. Let's see what happens next in his day. Well, it was time to go home, and Dog then runs up the street, and as he runs up the street, there's a bouncing ball, bounce, 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 that comes down but splatters gray mud all over Dog's leg, leaving a gray spot with the great big splash. So let's make that sound together. Come on with me. And splash. Yes. Now let's find some gray to put on his leg from that gray mud. No. No. Of course, gray is this one. We're going to smear that gray mud on with the great big spot. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spots already, Dog. Well, let's see how many spots you're going to have for the day. In front of the gate, Dog then, he steps without looking right onto a carton of orange juice. And of course, if it splurts out orange juice, what color do you think would land on his leg? Orange, you got it. Orange for orange juice. A patch of orange appears on his leg. And remember, it landed with the great big, or it made the sound from the carton, splurt. Ooh, so think of the squishing of an orange juice carton, making a great big splurt. Let's make the sound together. Let's do it. Here we go. And splurt. Oh, yes. We've got to find that orange juice to put on Dog's leg. Is this the orange juice? No. Is this the orange juice? Oh, yes. And remember, it splurted all over his leg, leaving a great big orange spot. Let's count them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, can we possibly go to 10? Let's find out. Dog races back inside of his house, and he knocks over his best friend, Vicky. And she says, "Silly dog." Vicky's purple marker leaves a great big smudge on the top of Dog's head. Show me where the top of your head is. Yeah, right there. That's where the purple marker landed, a great big spot on Dog's head. Now Dog has 10 spots. We've got to make that purple spot. Let's find some purple in here. Let's see if we can find it. Isn't this a purple? You've got it. And remember, where did it land? Did it land on his leg? No. Did it land on his tail? No. Did it land on his back? No, it did not. Instead, where did it land? Show me. Oh, right there on the top of his head. Look how colorful Dog is. Oh, let's see. Vicky looks down at Dog and she counts his colorful spots. Let's count our dog's colorful spots together. Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes, we got 10 exactly like Vicky did. Vicky looked very closely and Dog has a red spot of jam, a blue blob of paint, a green stain of grass, a brown smear of chocolate, a yellow patch of pollen, a pink drop of ice cream, an orange splash of juice, a gray splatter of mud, a purple smudge of ink, and of course, his very own black spot on his ear. And she said, "You need a bath." So that's what she did. She gave him a bath to turn him back to completely white with a black spot on his ear. Let's do it all together. So, get out your sponge. Oh yeah, get out a double sponge. Get out 2 sponges. A sponge here. Let's wet it in soapy water. And it's nice and soapy. Let's scrub our dog. This is the way we scrub our dog. scrub our dog, scrub our dog. This is the way we scrub our dog so early in the morning. Yeah! Thank you for helping me there. For now, our dog is back to completely white with one spot on his ear. So come to the Waco McLennan County Library and check out this story, Dog's Colorful Day, and many, many more. Bye-bye.